That was quite an extraordinary presentation. That was definitely no PowerPoint because our PowerPoints look different. Sure. I bet that your PowerPoints look different because somebody really stressed themselves that your company has a tremendous CI catalog where everything is considered and defined. From the markings of the logo to a color palette up to its tertiary colors, from the correct usage of the letterheads to the positioning of the logo on merchandise and golf balls. I'm sure your brand guide was thoroughly thought through, but mostly PowerPoint, your communication tool number 1, gets 1, maybe 2 loveless pages. And the result of that guideline should later be called presentation. So why am I getting so upset? A little excursion. When I'm at home, I'm laying on my couch. I wear a large sweater, sweatpants when I'm watching TV. When I go to the office, I'm appropriately dressed and I try not to lay down. But when I go out to an event, I'm going to the stylist, I get my hair done, I get my nails done, I buy a little dress, I try to look my best. Back to the topic. When you communicate within the company, you mostly use the PowerPoint presentation or PowerPoint templates provided on the SharePoint. It's useful and time-saving, and you can just insert the information you need to send out or present in front of your colleagues. Internal PowerPoint presentations mostly look like this. Headline, subline, text-image combination, text slides, agenda slides, separation slides, and if the company is clever, a time-saving chart pool with all the necessary charts and concept diagrams. Usually these PowerPoints are white because in every company we have those who still prefer to print it out. And you know who you are. But if you go to a public event as a representative of your company, then why do you do this with the corporate sweatpants? It is already known that PowerPoint presentations don't have to look like a 9th grader presentation project. But it is less known that there are quite a few agencies who build wonderful templates and help you to present your content in style. So what exactly is an event master? An event master is the representable, in consideration of the corporate design, impressive and elegantly designed version of the in-house PowerPoint template, which contributes to the recognition value of the corporate identity despite its uniqueness. It's not only chic, it's also practical. Many marketing departments go through the hassle for events and create an extra logo, but why that logo hardly ever finds its way to the PowerPoint template, that might remain a mystery in some companies. A complimentary event master is just as useful and time-saving as your regular PowerPoint master. And if the framework allows it, why don't you want to stand out from a regular working day? So please, dress to impress, and that also counts for your presentation.